Vibration damper. Through this, torsional vibrations and stresses of the crankshaft are reduced. During firing, the crankshaft gets a sudden shock, but it does not rotate immediately. As a result, it vibrates, to stop which vibration dampers are used. Types of vibration damper. There are following 2 types of vibration dampers. 1 rubber floating type damper. 2 clutch and rubber bush type damper. 1 rubber floating type damper. This damper consists of 2 parts: a small inertia ring or damper flywheel and pulley. These are connected to each other by a rubber insert. A small gear is built behind it, which rotates the camshaft with the help of timing gear. For engines in which a handle is used for starting, a dog nut is also screwed on the driving pulley, in which the handle is put and the engine's crankshaft is rotated. Water pump and dynamo are rotated by the driving pulley with the help of a V-belt. There are 2 types of crankshafts based on their design, which are used by engine manufacturing companies according to their design. As the speed of the cross-shaft increases or decreases, there is a dragging effect on the rubber floating damper. This effect causes some flexibility in the rubber insert, which tries to keep the pulley and cross-shaft at a constant speed. It tries to absorb the twist and untwist process and torsional vibrations of the cross-shaft. 2 clutch and rubber bush type damper. In this type of damper, 2 friction surfaces are installed between the pulley and the damper. A spring and plate are used to control the friction between the damper and the pulley. Clutch and rubber bush type damper is used to obtain a stable speed of the crankshaft in heavy engines.